Hi, and welcome to the QBD Vision product tutorial. This video shows you how to define and build your product. I'm using our new peptide sample project that we've built out and also made available for you to explore in your sandbox environment. Your product profile is a statement of the overall intent of your drug development program and is done by defining and characterizing your drug product or drug substance while keeping the patient in mind. To do that, we start here at the project dashboard and go into the Product tab. You'll notice that our system has defaulted to the Quality Target Product Profile, but for this tutorial, let's start with our Target Product Profile. Because sections of the TPP are well defined by the FDA, we have provided a direct link to their guidance document here by clicking on this information button. You'll notice these kinds of helpful tips throughout the QBD Vision system. We have also pre-filled target product profiles with 17 records that are organized according to the key sections in the FDA's recommended drug labeling guide. If we open one of these here and expand it here, you'll see that each TPP contains the name, the target, annotations that you could use for stating summary information regarding completed or planned studies to support the target, comments, and a place to link source documents. Next to this box, you can view related history and any related records. These can be quality or performance attributes that you will link later. So now let's go back and look at your quality target product profile. I'll click back to my TPP page and click on Quality Target Product Profile. This profile provides a summary of the characteristics that will ideally be achieved with your substance or product to ensure the desired quality, while also taking into account safety and efficacy. Like your TPPs, we have created some common records for you that you will see here under General Attributes. These can be edited to reflect your particular project. The general attributes identify characteristics such as intended use in a clinical setting, route of administration, dosage form and strength, etc. These will each be linked to a quality or performance attribute once those are created. And again, you can click in, expand, and make any of those changes here, as well as seeing the related and historical data. Here in the Quality Attribute section, you'll define the specific properties or characteristics and the limit, range, or distribution it should be in to ensure the desired product quality. For each FQA, you can add a criticality assessment, acceptance criteria, process capability, which is determined by comparing the output of a process back to that acceptance criteria, the risk control, and then any references or standards that you'd like to link. Maybe something like a safety data sheet for highly characterized specimens of a drug substance. Lastly, here under your Quality Target Product Profile are your performance attributes. This section lets you further define your Quality Target Product Profile. Here you will enter the properties or measures of your final product that are not considered quality attributes, but are indicative of its overall performance. Just like in your FQAs, your FPA, or final performance attributes, can link to TPPs and have sections for criticality assessment, acceptance criteria, process capability, risk control, and references and standards. Now you have the basics for defining and characterizing your product or substance with a target product profile and a quality target profile. Let me show you another way to view your data you've just built. If I go back to my main screen, I'll see that I'm looking at this in a list format. Let's click over into Tables. I've defaulted here to Quality Attributes. In my drop-down box, I can choose what I want to look at here. We'll stick with Quality Attribute. This table view allows you to sort on the name. It also allows you to filter. Additionally, you can click on the notebook icon here and tick or untick those items that you'd like to see. Once you've completed that and applied those to your report, you can then export it into a PDF, an Excel, or Word document. And that's all there is to creating your product. Next, you can check out our process tutorial to see how to create intermediate attributes, process parameters, and material attributes that link directly back to your quality target product profile. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.